Next in line, please.
Morning, ma'am. Me want apply for me age paper.
You mean your birth certificate?
Oh man, no get me crossing ya. Me say me age paper. You know, say your voice sound like the same woman when me just talk up on the phone a while ago.
As I was saying, if you had a copy of your birth certificate and you cannot find it, you can go online and request a certified copy of your birth certificate.
So what you know? You are sending me to go up online? Listen, woman, me not even know what for me clothesline there. With all of them that rain will fall the other day, me don't know which part breeze blow for me clothesline. You hear me?
If this is the first time you're applying for a birth certificate, then you will have to pay a search cost of $250.
So hold on, you are tell me say me fi pay you $250 for search for me when me stand up right in front of you? That no make no sense at all.
I don't think you understand.
What you mean me not understand? You know what me gone because people up here don't know what I do.